Join the Tanner Group for an exclusive open house at 2171 McKellen Parkway on January 28, 2024 from 1 to 4 p.m. Discover the allure of this newly constructed pool home boasting 3,358 square feet of meticulous design. Positioned ideally west of Trail between downtown Sarasota and Siesta Key, this location is truly unbeatable. The residence features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a spacious 20 by 20 garage, and a refreshing pool. Entertaining is a delight with a generous 19 by 16 great room upstairs, complete with a balcony and well-appointed bedrooms on each floor. An outdoor kitchen beckons for grilling and socializing, while the indoor kitchen impresses with Viking appliances, granite countertops, a bar, dining area, and a convenient butler's pantry. This thoughtfully designed home is move-in ready. Skip the wait for construction. Your dream home is already built. Don't miss this opportunity to experience luxury living at its finest. We will see you at our great open house hosted by the Tanner Group at 2171 McKellen Parkway on January 28, 2024 from 1 to 4 p.m.